Good morning. This is just a quick tutorial on how to get into the TAA system in order to put in accommodations for the ACT testing. First thing you're going to do is go to your ACT Pearson Access account and you're going to sign in there. If you don't have your link or it's expired, go ahead and click reset password and you should be able to get in. If you cannot get into this website that I put the link in, then please contact me. I will need to make sure that you are set up in the system. Basically, here's the platform. All of your information is there. Some really helpful links are right here. This is the Arizona State Testing website. This is where all their training is. You can't download any of the training or whatever, so all training is posted on the Arizona Testing website. All of your resources, everything is there for you. The test accessibilities and accommodations is a different website, so in order to get access to that, it's a little tricky. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. When you get there, you're going to go to TAA. If you don't have an account, you're going to have to create an account. And it may take some time. Okay, so here's what my page looks like. First thing you're going to do, I've already asked for access to all these schools, but for you to ask for access, you're going to hit Add and Manage Organizations. When you click on that, you're going to choose your country, Arizona, and the city that your school is located in. I'm going to do Apache Trail. Apache Trail High School, I'm going to add. Okay, and then I'm going to enter my information associated and hit Add Organization. So now it's there. I'm going to go back to my TAA. And I'm going to select Apache Trail High School because that's the one I just asked for access. Now I'm going to request TAA access and request test coordinator role. You're going to select yes to all of these questions. And then here is where you're going to put in my information. So Stacy Spider and then assessment director, and then you can put in the Leona group phone number, and then my email, and then you're going to hit save and continue. That will send an automatic email to me, and then once I approve that, you will get an email that says you have access to it. So then when you go in again, once you have your access, I'm going to go to Alta Vista since I have access. I'm going to click on the button and hit continue. And this is what you will see, and then you can start putting in the students' names. The TAA pen, the last name and the first name is all located in Pearson Access, that first website that I had you log into, this one here. So when you go to your students, you'll see their student codes there. All right. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.